Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a business with Formations Direct, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register a business with Formations Direct, begin by visiting their official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start Your Business button and click it. You will be directed to a page offering various business formation options. Choose the type of business you wish to register, such as a limited company, sole trader, or partnership. After selecting your business type, click on the Get Started option. Next, you will need to fill in your business details. Provide your proposed company name, ensuring it complies with naming regulations. Enter your registered office address, which will be publicly available. You may need to specify your business activities in the relevant section. Follow this by entering your personal details, including your name and contact information. Make sure to provide accurate information, as it will be used for official documents. Now, review the pricing options available for the business registration. Select the package that best fits your needs and budget. After this, you will be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment details carefully, ensuring all information is correct. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain your order details and next steps to complete your registration. You may be required to provide additional documents, depending on your business type. Make sure to check your email regularly for updates from Formations Direct. Finally, once your registration is approved, you will receive your official company documents. Congratulations, your business is now registered with Formations Direct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.